Stay off the cuff, that's OFF. Show them bars to the worldwide net. All the drinks made yet, pass one to me. Blessed he, the old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we have a dope episode with another pre-made Old Fashioned cocktail review from the Pratt Standard Cocktail Company, which is a non-alcoholic Old Fashioned syrup. If you just tuned into our channel, we are Virginia is for Grubbers. We do a series every single Friday called Old Fashioned Friday, where we review Old Fashions around the entire state of Virginia. Sometimes we go outside, DC, Maryland. We've done some Australia, Portugal, and occasionally we do these pre-made Old Fashions, which in my opinion are a little bit better because if this is good, anybody can purchase this and enjoy it on their own. So how do we review these Old Fashions? We review the pre-mades off of three things. It's 0 through 2 on the appearance, which is the marketing, packaging, the bottle, the way it looks, etc. 0 through 4 on the first sip of the cocktail, and then 0 through 4 on the overall experience. Maximum score that you can get is a full 10. We've never had a full 10 in the history of Old Fashioned Friday on a pre-made Old Fashioned. We'll jump into the appearance first. There's a lot of things that I like about this. It comes in a glass bottle. This also has a handwritten batch number on the side and a handwritten date on when to drink this by. I love the coloring. I love the text. They also have this waxed logo on the side. A lot of these is what you see on a lot of the high-end bourbon bottles. They're actually doing this on the pre-made syrup, which I think that's going above and beyond as far as my opinion is concerned. But I've never seen handwritten batch numbers, nor have I seen a custom wax logo on the side. So as far as the packaging and marketing is concerned, I'm gonna go full 2. It says, just mix with your favorite whiskey, stir on ice, garnish with an orange if you feel the need to do so. Now it said, use your favorite whiskey. I'm not gonna use a super high-end whiskey. You see I have a decent collection here. I'm gonna go with Old Grandad. Now before the bourbon experts get on my ass about why are you using Old Grandad, in over 150 episodes, over 3 years of us reviewing Old Fashions every single week, 2 of the top rated Old Fashions were using Old Grandad. It's an 80 proof, it's very smooth. You don't need to use a $300 bottle of bourbon to make an Old Fashioned. Half an ounce of the Old Fashioned syrup, here we go. Half an ounce, and then 2 ounces of the Old Grandad. Nice. We're gonna give this a nice stir, about 20 seconds. We're just gonna pour this over our giant piece of clarified ice. That way, the ice is not affecting the cocktail, nor will it dilute it or give this a poor score, which it does not deserve. None of them deserve that. Here we go. Nice pour. Perfect amount on the recommendation. Off of the color, you're getting a little bit of yellowish tint to it. Pratt Standard Cocktail Company first sip, here we go. Oh damn, that's good. That's really good. We've done pre-made Old Fashions that are in a bottle where I just feel like no matter what kind of recipe or concoction you come up with, if the bourbon is already in the bottle, it's very difficult to give you a taste of an Old Fashioned that's gonna replicate one that you would go get at a very, very nice cocktail bar. This is super, super close and very, very good. You taste some cinnamon, a little bit of sweetness, and it goes down incredibly smooth. Okay, first sip is gonna be a high score. I'm gonna go 3.8 off of first sip, which might be one of the highest I've ever given a pre-made. We're gonna jump into this overall. We'll talk a little bit more about the Pratt Standard cocktail. It's good, man. Ingredients: water, demerara, cinnamon, orange peel, cloves, peppercorn, blood orange zest, and a bunch of roots that I can't even pronounce. I don't know what the highest rated pre-made Old Fashioned we have is. I think this might be the closest one to a 10 that we've had. The only critique I feel like anybody would give it, and I enjoy it, but I feel like other people, if you're not a fan of cinnamon, I feel like that would be a harsh critique because you definitely taste cinnamon flavoring to it. I like it. I like cinnamon. I like it going down very smooth. It's not overbearing and it blends extremely well. I'm gonna stick to the same on overall experience. 3.8, 9.6. Pratt Standard Cocktail Company, Virginia is for Grubbers.